Okay, here we are. It's Sunday the 15th of April, sorry. I've just come in to just double check how things are, and this is since about 6 o'clock last night. There is clearly still very much something leaking. I think the ceiling definitely has to come down by the looks of it. And there is a mess now on the floor, which has now started to bring up the edges of the laminated flooring. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video. So that's going to need replaced as well. And there appears to be enough water that's causing the skirtings on the floor to detach from the wall. That wasn't there before. And this is where that will be coming from. So this doesn't look like the residue of a leak. This looks like something that's still actually actively leaking.